Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and we're staying at the GALLERYone Fort Lauderdale Doubletree Suites by Hilton, and we're going to give you a tour of our room. So this is out in back of the hotel, and the road that runs alongside the hotel has a drawbridge over the intracoastal waterway, and right now that bridge is up. And somebody's got their yacht parked here. I wonder if they're guests here at the hotel. So what's on the other side of the canal here is the stuff that actually goes out to the Atlantic beach. And there goes another yacht. So the bridge is coming back down. See all the counterweights there under the bridge. I guess those go under the roadway. So we're at the GALLERYone Doubletree Suites by Hilton. We're going to tour Suite 1223. So we're in the room. We'll take a look at the basic safety features. Latch. That's a mechanical deadbolt, and it's a map of the floor. We're on the 12th floor, so this is a map of the rooms, and the elevators are here, and we are here, I think, 1223. This is a covered peephole, so you can see out, but they can't see in. As we walk in, we have a little bar here with a big gigantic mirror. Guess you could put out your cocktail set here if you wanted to entertain. Then we get a full kitchen. This is definitely a surprise. We get a full-size microwave oven, very clean, and the time appears to be correct by Whirlpool. Up here, it's an empty cabinet. More empty cabinets here. And then this doesn't really fit with the rest of it, but I guess it's because this is where the dishes are. So it's got the glass doors, and we have stemware and glasses and plates. A couple of bowls that don't match, but that's okay. We have a 2-burner hot plate. Toaster, paper towels. Don't put the paper towels in the toaster. A little sink here, and the sink has hot and cold water. We get Essential Elements suds And this sink actually has a disposal. Got a 2-cup coffee maker with real mugs. We got all the coffee bean, tea leaf type stuff, English breakfast tea, coffee mate. Down here we got a actual dishwasher. You can pause and read that if you want. Down below the sink we got a garbage can and a rack, probably for convection cooking in a microwave or something. Got an array of silverware, can opener, a corkscrew. I think this is like a colander or something. I don't know what that really... I have no idea what that is. Cutting board, spatula, or that's a ladle. That's empty. And an extra roll of paper towels. So some cookware in here. This is a pretty well-equipped kitchen. That's not a drawer there, I guess because it's under the hot plate. And this is a fridge, which needs defrosting. It doesn't have a freezer, but it needs to be defrosted, but I don't really care. We've already put some stuff in there. We have an ice bucket up here. And I guess that's to put hot pots down on so you don't burn the countertop. And we get a table for 4, some artwork on the wall, and they have track lighting in here and in the kitchen, so it lights up the place pretty well. So this is the living room, and we get a I guess you could seat 3. It's not really a love seat, it's more of a couch. You can seat 3 people on it, and it's a pull-out. So I guess it pulls out to a double bed. Telephone on the table over here, and another little chair over here that puts you back to the TV. It looks like somebody ironed it or something. I don't know what that is. But that's a decent sized TV in here. All the artwork is like oil on canvas, or at least it simulates it. That's a door to the next room, which we don't have. So now we'll move into the bedroom. And as you can see, there's a double door into the bedroom. I guess that's in case you want to drive your car in there. This is a king bed, 4 pillows. Got a telephone here. You scan this for the digital, I don't know if you can even see that, and it's backwards, but scan that for the digital guest services directory. There's some telephone dialing information and rates. I guess if you really want to use the room telephone. I'm not seeing any outlets here. USB there, it looks broken. And USB there, but no 120 volt outlet. Over here we have wireless charging with 2 regular outlets and a couple USBs, and this lamp has the USBs on the sides as well. And another drawer with nothing in it. Very small TV in here. But I guess if you want to watch a big TV, you go in the living room. And this is a chest of drawers. All empty, as they should be. So is this the bathroom? No. This is a closet with mirrors inside the doors. Kind of strange. An electronic safe, luggage rack, ironing board, iron, and hangers, regular hangers. And is this, and it gave us a laundry bag. So a little chair over here with a table and some more artwork on the wall. And then we get a balcony. This is a nice large balcony, and it's a city view. So from the balcony, we can see Fort Lauderdale in the distance. And the sun is setting. There's a big mall right there. This is a big corner balcony, so there's actually another door here that takes us back into the living room. Except I didn't open the curtains. So very free flowing. Watch you step down there. So we have thermostatic air and heat in here, and this is the air conditioning unit is behind this. So it's not a PTAC. So now we just have to check out the bathroom. Yep. All right, so, we have another door here. Oh, and it's locked. There's a locked door here. Maybe that's where all the actual HVAC equipment is. Or it could be behind this wall, which would make a lot more sense. The vent's up here. Yeah, who knows what that is. Anyway, the bathroom. More artwork on the wall. Nice large mirror and very well lit. As seems to be the standard for Doubletree, we have Crabtree soap and lotion and an assortment of towels. Extra Kleenex and toilet paper and a hair dryer. Hot and cold running water. And it's not aerated. We have the Kohler standard plumbing fixture. Got some more towels and a bath mat up here. And so the shower, there's rainfall type shower heads, and there's no way to turn it on without getting wet. I got some shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, and a little rack here to hold assorted stuff. Handrail. Let's see how the shower does. Shower knob turns the wrong way. That's kind of strange. Looks like the shower head's in pretty good condition. Everything flows out of it. But it's weird that the knob turns the wrong way. Anyway, so that's going to conclude the video tour of this room. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you haven't already. Please subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.